What up, guys? So the DIT application has an update that I want to share with you guys right here. That is do it together. Now, we made a previous video about this, how to get started and all that, and it's been a while that we talked about this application, all right, where we are mining some free tokens. All right, now over here there is an update that says we need to create our KYC key. Now there's this KYC key that will be needed later on in the nearest future, and apart from that, before you be able to create your KYC key, you need to also create identity, and you have to create your asset password before you can create your KYC key. And I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to do all that in this video. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to pay attention to details in this video till the end. Alright guys, so if you've been mining on this application, I believe you must have seen this update, this announcement in the application. Now, in case you have been trying to mine and the application haven't been working fine for you all this while, there's a link in the description that you need to click on right now in order for it to take you to where you can re-download the application again and start mining from where you stop. Alright, now if you are also new to this platform, it is not yet late to hop on it. You can still join us. The link is in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you to where you can start all over and start mining this DIT. It's completely free. You have not paying anything. It's completely free, and I made a previous video of how to get started on this application, so in case you've not seen that video, you should check in the description, or it's going to be popping up on the top right corner of this video. You can click on it and watch so you can understand how to get started over here. All right, now quickly, before I show you everything you're supposed to do here in order for you to create and generate your key, I will advise you use your Google Chrome in order to avoid errors and all that. So you go to the Google Chrome and you use the official website. The link is in the description. You click on it and it's going to take you to your Google Chrome. Then you can do everything I want to show you right here right now, just to avoid errors. That's why I want you to use the Google Chrome. I am going to be using my Chrome also to do it. The Chrome browser, that's what I'm going to be using to participate in all this right now. So let's head over there quickly, and I'm going to show you how to do all these things. The first thing we are supposed to do is to set our transaction password. So you click over here, click on this arrow beside you, username right here. It's going to bring you down here. The next thing you should do is to click on the setting icon, which is right here, and you click it. So once you come here, set your transaction password first of all. So you click on it, and you're going to click on next over here. All right, so after doing that, this will come up, and what you're supposed to do is to send a code. Send this code to this email, give it to you right down here. So I'm going to do that. I just finished sending it. Then when you finish, you have to click below where it says I have sent it. All right, so once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface, and now this is where you are going to be setting your transaction password. So I'm going to do that quickly. So I just finished doing that. I'm just going to click on confirm here to make sure it is correct. All right, so you are going to be writing down the code that you sent to that email given to you. You're going to write it again. It is the code that you sent to that email. You have to write it over here again. So I'm going to put it right here. I can remember mine. All right, and 2. Very good. Then the next thing you are to do here is to click on confirm. Let's click on confirm. All right, so now that was successful. So now the next thing you should do is to create your identity. All right, let's quickly go and create our identity, then I'll show you the next thing to do. Over here, to create identity, you just have to click on identity creation over here. You click on it. All right, very good. Now we have to create identity, and after that we create a KYC key. All right, so let's go with the first one, which says identity creation. So you click on it. Okay, good. All right, so the next thing is to create identity creation. Click on identity creation down here. Very good. So it's going to ask you to log in with your password, and the next one is going to be your transaction password. So let's do that quickly. I'm going to pause this video. All right, so the next thing to do now is to click on confirm. That was successful. All right, so I just created my identity. Everything is okay. Now the next thing you need to do is to create your KYC key. So let's quickly do that also. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. All right, I'm still going to put in my password and my transaction password. So the next thing is confirm. Yes, so my KYC key creation completed. That was successful. All right, so click on OK over here. Then you are going to get your KYC key right here. Now the next thing you should do is to make sure you copy your KYC key and you keep it somewhere very safe, because we are still waiting for the KYC to be activated. The KYC is not yet activated. We just have to create identity and copy the KYC key and keep it safe. When we are requested for the KYC, we are definitely going to be using this. So guys, so that is the simple step for you to be able to create your identity and also asset password and also create your KYC key. These are the simple steps I just showed you in this video right here. So if you did everything successful, you are going to see over here this green dot is going to be in front of these buttons. All right, you are going to see these green dots over here, meaning it was successful. Right, so guys, in case you have been trying to mine on the application for a while now and it's not going through, you should use the link in the description right now. The link in the description will definitely work for you. So use the link in the description right now and you access this website. You will need to also re-download the application, not the one you have currently. Re-download the application by coming down here where you can see DIT service. Under my community, you can see app download. You click on it and you download the very recent application of the DIT mining application, and you can continue your mining with this application. So guys, it's as simple as that. I just showed you guys what you are supposed to do in order for you to secure your tokens that you have been mining on this application. So guys, quickly follow these steps and do that right away. I'm still going to bring you guys more updates on this project and how we are definitely going to be withdrawing our funds, or how we are going to be doing the KYC once it is available. I will definitely bring you guys more updates on that. So if you are on this project and you don't want to miss out, you will have to subscribe to this channel and also join my Telegram channel so that you are up to date. All right, so subscribe right now. The link's in the description to my Telegram channel. Click on it and it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. You are safe, you are welcome once you are there. Stick to the channel and you will always be updated with lots of. Also, there are giveaways that do come up once in a while in the channel. Also, you might also want to participate, so stick in there and you are good to go. All right guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, you need to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video and please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel so that you get more informations and you get notifications once I upload another brand new one. Guys, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.